Hello and welcome back to So Much More. We're going to get started with more of the pattern for our children's ribbon skirts. Turning you around here. Thank you for your patience. Here we have the pattern all cut out. And it's always important when you're making something is to just read the instructions. Sometimes you don't want to, but honestly they are important. Especially on this pattern, well, any pattern, it does tell you how much material you'll need. So for any item here, if you go over and up will tell you the size, and then down will tell you how much fabric you need. So we're going to make a size 3, 5, and 7. So the biggest we're going to need is 1 1/4 yards. And then down here it tells us that we need 3/4 yard of 3/4 inch elastic for the skirt. So those are those notes that I've written also down here on a pad of paper. Normally I would just keep them in my head, but I'm trying to show you and share, so I've written some other stuff down. Originally we were just going to go with size 5, but I added the 3 and 7. I just want to see how they all turn out. And then it does include a 6/8 inch seam allowance. Some patterns will include a seam, some doesn't, and then you have to cut it a little bit bigger. But this one doesn't, so when we get to cutting, we're going to cut the actual size of the pattern. And just for an example here, this actually is 1 inch. These marks represent the eighths. So you'll see it's almost 3/4. And then again, the 3/4 yard of 3/4 inch elastics. And then we're going to cut 2 single thicknesses with our pattern size up. And that does also show you on the pattern information. Here is the skirt, single thickness. The selvage, which is the finished end of your fabric, goes this way. And then your pattern tells you the cutting layout. This means the pattern pieces, the printed side is down. This one means the printed side is up. And so that is the way we're going to lay our skirt. It's not shaded, it's totally open there. So that means pattern size up. So I'm going to get to laying these pattern pieces. I'm going to lay them out and cut out 2, and then I'll come back with 1 laid out to show you how it looks. Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, by all means, share if you wish. Have a great day.